Hello dear teachers and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to present a wonderful activity that can enhance both speaking and writing skills and also thinking creatively. This activity can be done both online and offline inside your classrooms. So let's see. The activity is called Roll a Story. If you choose to focus on speaking, then it's roll and tell. And if you choose to focus on writing creatively, then you can call it roll and write. The whole idea is that the students spin a die and then they'll get a number. And whenever they get to a certain number, they will know which character they have to write about and what is the setting and also what's the problem in the story. Now we have different options here according to numbers. So it's a die with six digits. Okay, and let's give it a try. And I'm going to open up a virtual die that I'm going to roll. Okay, so you can share this file together with the virtual die, and then you can ask your students to roll the die 3 times. The first time is in order for them to know the characters, the second time the settings, and then the third time is of course the problem, and then the students can come up with a story. So let's give it a try. Let's roll a die. So we have number 3. So the character is number 3, a hungry alien. And what's the setting? The setting is number 6 is a hot desert. So we have a hungry alien and he's in a hot desert. And what happens next? What's the problem? Let's see. Number 2, the problem is he found a strange box. So what's inside the box? That's for your students to be creative and write it down or simply tell the story. So I'm going to link both the virtual die site as well as the PDF file with the activity. I'm going to link them below this YouTube video so you can feel free to use them in your own online classrooms. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more ideas to come. Assalamu alaikum everyone.